Hi everyone, welcome back to OET 369 and today we are back with another role play card. So today's role play card we are talking about convincing a patient for a procedure called ECG. Or ECG procedure നമുക്കൊരു പേഷ്യന്റിനെ എങ്ങനെ കൺവിൻസ് ചെയ്ത് മനസ്സിലാക്കി ആ പേഷ്യന്റിനെ കൊണ്ട് സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ് ആയിട്ട് ആ പ്രൊസീജിയർ ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കാം. That's what we'll be here discussing today. So let's start here. Are we ready?
Yes.
So my name is Arsha.
My name is Dia.
Okay, so let us start then. Okay. So this is a community health center, and we'll be discussing that at the community health. The patient has come to see the nurse at the community health center. So Dia will be acting as a patient, and myself will be acting as the nurse who is attending this patient. So let's start.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
So my name is Arsha Sebastian. I'm the nurse at the community health center today. So how may I help you today?
My name is Georgina Watson. I've been experiencing a little bit of chest pain.
Yeah, I can see
I've
that.
never had an ECG before, so I'm a bit nervous. I feel a bit anxious having it done.
Okay, Georgina, that's fine. I can explain the procedure to you.
Okay.
Before that, I would like just to check that you've come here for an ECG and you are a little bit anxious about having an ECG done. Is that
Yeah,
right?
the doctor referred me for this.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. All right, Georgina, there is nothing to worry about this procedure. So what I will do today is I'm going to explain you about the procedure so you know what it is,
Yeah.
and then you can decide whether you want to go for it or not. But I'm sure
Okay.
you'll be fine after hearing this.
Okay.
So ECG is basically a very simple procedure. It may take like 5 minutes for this procedure to be done. So basically, what we do is we may have to expose your waist chest area, and then we'll be placing electrodes there, and then we'll be placing 2 electrodes on your arms and 2 electrodes on your legs.
Yeah.
Okay. And what it does is then we will connect the electrodes to a machine which is called ECG machine.
Okay.
So you may experience like the electrodes are attached to the stickers. So basically we'll be placing stickers on the chest, arms and legs.
Yeah.
And then these electrodes will be connected to the ECG machine.
Okay.
Okay. And once it is connected, we can then get the printed graph of your heart activity.
Okay.
So this is what ECG means. So
Okay.
it is not a complicated procedure at all.
Okay.
And there is no side effects or disadvantages in undergoing this procedure.
Okay.
Okay. How do you feel about that now?
Yeah, it sounds a lot better. I'm not so worried now. Would it be painful?
Well, to be fair, ECG is not a painful procedure at all.
Okay.
So it's a completely pain-free procedure. You may experience a slight discomfort when you actually put those stickers on and off,
Yeah.
like you do, like a wax
Yeah,
it probably. But other than that, it is completely a painless procedure.
Okay.
So there is nothing to worry about that.
Okay. And the results of the ECG, would you be able to tell me straight away, or how does it work?
Okay, so basically, as I've explained before,
Yeah.
this is a graph that records your electrical activity.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the nurses are not able to read that graph.
Okay.
But what we can do is we can get the procedure done,
Yeah.
and then we can basically hand over this to the doctors,
Yeah.
and the doctors would be able to read that for you.
Okay, that sounds great.
It's quick, and
Yeah.
that's how it works. Okay, I just wanted to just to say that basically we do this ECG just to make sure that you have got no palpitations, which means your heart rate is going to be fine.
Okay.
And that's how basically the functions of ECG is. And I would like to confirm, do you wear any jewelry?
No, I don't. I don't have anything on me.
Do you have any mobile phone with
No,
you? No,
no,
you don't. So I just wanted to check it before we go to the procedure because it's like an electrical. What do you call it? You don't have any jewelry or anything you shouldn't have. So
Okay.
that's good. So how do you feel like altogether about the procedure? So shall we go ahead?
Just one more question. Do you think it will find out what's wrong with me?
Okay, so once you've done this, so we are doing this ECG for you because you've been experiencing a little bit of chest pain.
Yeah.
So if there is anything wrong with this procedure, I mean,
Yeah.
if for example, if we find any abnormalities in this ECG,
Okay.
then we may have to plan for further investigations.
Okay.
And I really hope that's probably not going to be your case.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see what happens. And I think that's all about. I wanted to tell you about ECG. So are you happy for me to go ahead?
Yes, I'm happy to go ahead now.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
I will get everything ready for you, and I will let you know. Is there anything would you like to clarify before?
No, everything sounds great now.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll get it done, and we'll see how it happens.
Okay.
Fingers crossed. Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so basically in this procedure, ഇതൊരു പ്രൊസീജിയർ ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ആ പേഷ്യൻ്റ് ഒരു വറീഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പേഷ്യൻ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആ പേഷ്യൻ്റ് വറീഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പേഷ്യന്റിന് ഏത് പ്രൊസീജിയർ നിങ്ങൾ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴും what you can do is you can use terms like it is going to be very simple, it's going to be very quick. അതിന്റെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആസ്പെക്ട്സ് നമ്മൾ ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് ഇപ്പം എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഹോപ്പ് നോട്ട്, അപ്പോൾ പേഷ്യന്റിന് തന്നെ ഒരു കൺവിൻസിങ് ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുക. അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവില്ലായിരിക്കാം, എങ്കിൽ പോലും ദിസ് മേ ബി ദ കോംപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസ്, എങ്കിൽ പോലും ദിസ് മേ ബി സംതിങ് ദറ്റ് യു കെൻ എക്സ്പെക്ട്. അതിനെ ഡൗൺ പ്ലേ ചെയ്ത് അതിൻ്റെ ഗുഡ് ഇഫക്ട്സിനെ എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ, മെറിറ്റ്സിനെ എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പറയാനായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക in order to convince a patient. So I'm really glad and I hope you all have enjoyed or this was useful for all of you. If you have any course details or if you have any inquiry regarding the course details, please do WhatsApp me in the given number. We'll be back soon with another role play card. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And good luck for your exams. Thank you and bye.